Good morning. Me hope you well. Staying warm? Eating cheese? Me think about cheese quite a lot. It's Friday, January 17, 2025. Uncle feeling sad today. Let's go get temperature. Good morning, monkey. Good morning, owl. We check out there and we hop back. And we tell you, in Cincinnati, it'd be 29 degrees. Still kind of chilly at -2 centigrade. You probably heard filmmaker David Lynch pass away. He was inspiration behind me weather report. Today, me listen to a soundtrack to his TV program, Twin Peaks. Golden sunshine and blue skies today. High, 43 degrees. Rain tonight. Wind from southwest. Low round 38. Find joy in the people you know. You never know when it's time to go.